If you're a TikTok content creator and you want to use the latest AI models to craft, edit, research your videos and produce a script that you can be recording with in under 5 minutes, then this video and my new app, Take Toucan, are for you. I'm going to be using Claude Code. It's going to research the topic, it's going to write the script, and I'm going to be recording a new video in about 3 minutes. That's my aim. So let's dive in. The most important thing here is that my Claude Code instance, and you could use iCodex, although that's just become ChatGPT again, bizarre, Cursor, any AI coding platform, because we need it to be able to write and read files on a device on my Mac here. The key bit is that when you install Take Toucan, it gives you an iCloud folder. Here are some of my scripts, but it also loads in some like prompting file to tell the agent how to structure a good high quality TikTok script. Well, we've got a voice MD file. Basically, the more you use it, the more you give feedback on the scripts that it writes. It's going to update that. It's going to build a profile around your speaking style so that every script that you generate from that point onwards is going to be closer to how you sound. Let's dive into Claude Code. I'm going to give it a task to research and it's going to write a script. And I'm going to be using the cutting edge, which is Fable 5. So I'm going to say research Fable 5 and the latest Grok model write script. Because I've been using Take Toucan for a while now, it's built into the voice profile an understanding of my TikTok account, which is that I create videos about AI. So it's using its tools to research. It's going to do a web search, I suspect, in the moment. Of course, I could have used a quicker model than Fable 5. Something that you could, of course, do is to tell it to research a number of topics. We could have multiple threads open. We could say generate 3 scripts on a topic, pick the best one. The time-saving potential is huge. Now it's actually creating the markdown file. This will be synced via iCloud within just a few seconds, and I'll be opening up on my phone and recording straight into it. We can actually see that it's now concluded that it needs to make some polishing to it based on my voice MD file to make it sound more like me. Great, and it's done. Now, the biggest time there was the fact that I probably used a massively overpowered model to generate that. But what you can see here is my markdown file. And I'm going to go into my phone and I'm going to open up Take Toucan and the files just come in. I can go ahead. I can go record. Here I am. 2 new AI models have just made opposite bets, and the gap between them tells you where the market is heading. Anthropic released see, I've messed it up. I can just double tap, and it takes me back to the start of the sentence. Anthropic released Claude Fable 5, the first of its Fable 5 family. I made a mistake there, but I'm just going to stop the recording, and then I can share that straight to TikTok. We even, in the process of it writing the script, in the markdown file, it includes a description section. So if I was to share this to TikTok and then come back to the app, this is a feature I love of 1Password. It's a bit of a UX geek out, is that it's going to copy it to the clipboard. So you go into TikTok, you tidy up the video, you come back into Take Toucan, it copies the description to clipboard, it gives you a nice little notification to tell you that it's done that, and then you can paste that straight into TikTok. We have literally done a ton of research, recorded the video, and we could, if we didn't make any mistakes and we just got all the way through, we could be posting it in just 5 or 10 minutes. Take Toucan is available on iOS, and if you really think that this is going to save you time in your video production workflow, please do give it a download. The first 3 exports are free.